It's very late. The deadline is near. You drop your research question into ChatGPT and a full draft appears. A few edits and you hit submit. But wait, whose voice is it really? Did you do something wrong? It's okay. You are not alone. We have all been there. Hi, I am Dr. Syamili, faculty at the Department of Library and Information Science, University of Calicut, and welcome to the course AI in Research Ethics. I have designed this course not to warn you against using AI, but to help you use it critically, ethically, and with confidence. This is a 15-week, 4-credit postgraduate level course mapped to NCRF level 7 and offered on the Swayam platform. This course is drafted with millennial-friendly, tool-rich, research-based insights and real-world dilemmas. Understanding this pattern is not just technical, it's sociological. Who gets hurt? Who gets left out? And how can we build research practices that are not just smart but also just? In this course, you will engage with a 40 crisp and interactive modules featuring video lectures, AI tool demonstration, essential readings, reflective and discussion-based prompts, case studies from academia and research fields, weekly tasks to build your responsible research toolkit.
The course is organized into 4 modules. It begins with the foundation of AI and research integrity, followed by the ethical use of AI in research workflows. The third module explored the issue of bias, misinformation, and knowledge equity, while the final module focuses on publication ethics and responsible scholarship.
By end of this course, you will be able to understand key research ethics in the age of AI, spot ethical risk in writing, citing, and data use tools like ChatGPT, Elicit, Zotero, and Turnitin responsibly, detect bias, misinformation, and algorithmic harms, navigate publication ethics and avoid predatory traps, engage ethically in peer review and academic collaboration. Who should enroll? This course is ideal for master's students across disciplines, PhD aspirants, early career researchers and academic professionals, teachers, and anyone who wants to use ethically and reflectively. A basic understanding of research methods and a willingness to ask hard questions. Grading and certification. Your final grade will be based on end-term assessment. The final exam shall be conducted by NTA and will carry 70% of the overall result. All students who obtain 40% of the mark in the internal assessment and 40% marks in the end-term exam separately will be eligible for Swayam credit certificate. Industry relevance. Ethical use of AI is fast becoming a core skill for academic publishing and peer review, research consultancy and policy think tanks, AI integrated edtech and digital humanities, NGOs and social impact organizations. This course gives you a practical, research-ready ethics knowledge for both academic and professional worlds. This is not just a course, it's a space to pose, question and rethink how we use technology in research. Here, we don't just learn tools, we ask who built them and who they might leave out. Whether you are in a lab, library or a laptop-lit hostel room, this course is for you. The critical, curious, connected millennial researcher. Enroll in AI research ethics on Swayam. Let's rethink research together.